Welcome to TagoIO. In this video, I will show you how to create an image marker to track and display precise location data from devices. I will start by creating a blueprint dashboard and two blueprint devices. One device will represent an asset I would like to track, and a second to store the information regarding the widget itself. I need to add the same blueprint tags to the devices so that I can use them in the blueprint dashboard. After doing that, I can start making an image marker. The first thing I need to select after adding a title is a blueprint device I will be getting the location data from, and the variable from that device that holds the location data. Under Options, I will increase the maximum number of pins I can display to 3, although I will only be creating one right now. To create an image marker, I need to select a variable from one of my blueprint devices to store the layer information for the widget. I will store the layer information in a variable called layers. Now all of the layer data from this widget will be stored in whatever device is selected as a blueprint asset settings device under the variable layers. I should also point out that you can name the variable anything, but the name layers is just a logical choice. In my current hypothetical application, I have a mobile X-ray machine that I need to track within a hospital. There is a tracking device on the X-ray machine that is sending precise periodic location updates that I want displayed as a pin in my image marker in real time. I can simulate this using the device emulator by sending a payload with the location coordinates X and Y in the metadata field. Before I display my pin, I will add two layers with the layout of the hospital as a background. Floor 1 and Floor 2 will have the same background, but I'm only going to add a pin to the first floor. Now I can add the X-ray pin to the map, and I can include an image of the X-ray in the info box. To simulate the event in which the X-ray is moved and the tracker on it sends new location data, I can again use the device emulator. This time I will send different X and Y coordinates as well as a different icon color. You can also send other fields such as the info box image or pin icon in the metadata field of the payload. For more information about image markers, search for image marker in the Help Center on TagoIO and watch the next video on advanced image markers. Thank you for watching.